In coordinate geometry, second topic, it's section formula. Section formula means when a line segment given, we want to divide line segment in two equal parts in the given ratio. Then we have to find the coordinates of that point which divides the given line segment in two parts. In the figure, there are 2 points A and B given. Take a third point between A and B on the line segment AB, which divides AB in two parts in the ratio m:n, means if value of AP is m, then NP n. Then you can say it is known as internal division. Point B lies between A and B, then this type of division of line segment AB is known as internal division. Or we can write P divides line segment AB internally in the ratio m:n. In second case, again first line segment AB given, but point P lies outside of AB, not between A and B. It may be left side or right side. Just have taken right side. Then again, ratio of AP and BP is given as m:n. Then you can write point P divides AB in the ratio m:n externally. It implies if point P lies between A and B on the line segment AB, then we can say point P divides internally. And if point P lies on the line segment AB when it produced, means outside of AB, then we can say point P divides AB externally in the ratio m:n, where m means AP and n means BP. Here again, m means AP and n means BP. But in first case, ratio is internally, second is external. Now first case for internal, on coordinate geometry, just take 2 points A and B with coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2. Means coordinates of point A is x1, y1 and point B x2, y2. Point P divides AB in m:n internally because point P lies between A and B. Then coordinates of P, x, y we can write using formula mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n and my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Means x coordinate of point P we can write using formula mx2 means m ratio multiply x coordinate of point B plus n into x coordinate of point A upon m plus n. That is the x coordinate of point B. Y coordinates of point B will be m into y coordinates of point B plus n into x coordinate of point A, y coordinates of point A upon m plus n, means my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Now proof of this formula, just taken 2 points A and B. Let coordinates of point P as x, y. Now your task, we want to find the value of x and y such that AP upon BP equal to m upon n, or m is to n. Now, since triangle PKA and PTP, both triangles are similar by AAA similarity, you can observe these lines are perpendicular on x-axis, means 90 degree, 90 degree. This angle A equal to angle P, corresponding angle. Similarly, third angle is also equal to third angle of second triangle. Means both triangles are similar to each other. And if both triangles are similar to each other, means corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Means we can write ratio of their base means AK upon PT equal to ratio of their perpendiculars means PK upon PT equal to ratio of their hypotenuse means AP upon BP. Now just try to find out the value of AK. Now AK means coordinates of point P is XY. It implies distance of M from O is X. X coordinate of point A is X1 means OL is X1. It is X1, X and ON is X2. Now AK represent LM and LM means X minus X1 upon PT. PT is same as MN and MN we can write as distance of N from origin minus distance of M from origin means ON minus OM. Value of ON means X coordinate of point P minus X coordinate of point P means X2 minus X equal to same process Y. PK we can write Y minus Y1. I written here X minus X1. We are getting Y minus Y1 upon here PT X2 minus X here PT Y2 minus Y equal to M upon N. Now taking first and third part means X minus X1 upon X2 minus X equal to M upon N. Now cross multiply NX minus NX1 equal to MX2 minus MX. MX transfer left side, MX plus NX equal to MX2 plus NX1. X common, M plus N into X equal to MX2 plus NX1 or X equal to MX2 plus NX1 upon M plus N. That is X coordinates of point P. Now next part taking second and third. Accurate same process you have to follow by taking second and third. Y minus Y1 upon Y2 minus Y equal to M upon N. Cross multiply, rearrange, and you can find the value of Y as My2 plus Ny1 upon M plus N. Therefore, the coordinates of point P given by Mx2 plus Nx1 upon M plus N, comma Y coordinate will be My2 plus Ny1 upon M plus N. And that is known as section formula for internal division if point P lies between A and B. Again, to remember the formula, easy process. M into X coordinate of point P, Mx2 plus Nx1 upon sum of ratios M plus N. Y coordinate My2 plus Ny1 upon M plus N. In this process, you are getting coordinates of point P. Now next one, midpoint formula means if point P is the midpoint of AB. If it is midpoint of AB, then what happens? AP equal to BB means ratio M upon N equal to 1 upon 1. Here, since P is midpoint of AB, therefore AP equal to BB or AP upon PB, which we can write as M upon N equal to 1. Therefore, M equal to N. Now in section formula, put in place of M as N and you will get midpoint formula means Mx2 plus Nx1. In place of M, write down N. Nx2 plus Nx1 upon N plus N. Because both ratio is same. In place of M, we are writing N. Ny2 plus Ny1 upon N plus N. n common, n cancel out. x2 plus x1 upon 1 plus 1, y2 plus y1 upon 1 plus 1. Rearrange and we will get result x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon. It implies if point P is the midpoint of AB, then coordinates of point P we can write as sum of x coordinates of both points divided by 2, comma sum of y coordinates upon 2, and in this process we can find midpoint of given line segment. It is known as midpoint formula. Now, one more form of section formula which whenever it required you can use in questions. Coordinates of point P lies on the line segment joining the point A and B having coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2. Therefore, we can write ratio as m is to n. Then coordinates of point P mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n, already covered here. Now here divide numerator and denominator by n. M upon n x2 plus n upon n 1 whole upon m upon n plus n upon n means 1, comma m upon n y2 plus n upon n 1 means y1 upon m upon n plus 1. Now assume m upon n as k. In place of m upon n write down k. Again you are getting section formula in other form as kx2 plus x1 upon k plus 1, comma ky2 plus y1 upon k plus 1. In this pattern, whenever required, section formula also you can write in this form. Remember, here k represent m upon n. Means here ratio we can write as k is to 1, that is written in beginning. Because m is to n we can write as m upon n is to 1, which is equal to k is to 1. In this process, it is the other form of section formula. Now next one. Question on section formula. Find the ratio in which x-axis divides the line joining the points minus 2 comma 5 and 1 comma minus 9. Says find the ratio in which x-axis, if you are taking any point on x-axis, xy coordinates will be 0. Let x-axis divide the point in ratio m is to n, or also you can assume here k is to 1. You have both options. Then using section formula we can write x equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Mx2 means 1 plus n into minus 2 upon m plus n equal to m minus 2n upon m plus n. Similarly, y coordinate minus 9m plus 5n upon m plus n. Since we have to find the point on x-axis, and if point lies on x-axis, then y coordinate will be 0, means value of y 0. And if y 0 means minus 9m plus 5n upon m plus n equal to 0. Cross multiply, you will get minus 9m plus 5n equal to 0. Or minus 9m equal to minus 5n. Minus cancel out, result is 9m equal to 5n. Or m upon n equal to 5 upon 9, or ratio 5 is to 9. Same question, if asked you find the ratio in which y-axis divide. In case of y-axis, x coordinate will be 0, and easily you can find the ratio. Now next, again section formula for external division. External division means point P lies outside of A. Here coordinates of A is x1, y1, coordinates of point B x2, y2, and point P xy, which we have to find such that AP upon BP m is to n. It is known as external division. Till now it is not in class 10th syllabus, but you should know because after class 10th higher classes there is use of this formula external division, or for competition purpose also it is important. Coordinates of A and B taken as x1 y1 x2 y2, point P xy. Derivation is same like previous concept. Take two triangle PKA. Means here you will take PKA, this whole triangle, and PTB, smaller triangle. Angle P is common, one angle 90 degree, it is also third angle will be remaining angle. Therefore, both triangles are congruent. And if congruent, then corresponding sides are in the same ratio. And by putting the value of corresponding sides, this value of AK upon BT equal to PK upon PT equal to AP upon BP. Now AK is same as LM. Here N means value of ON is X minus OL X1, X minus X1 upon BT. BT means MN, and which is equal to X minus X2. Similarly, second term Y minus Y1 upon Y minus Y2 equal to M upon N. Now, taking first and third part, X minus X1 upon X minus X2 equal to M upon N. Then cross multiply and rearrange, you will get mx minus nx equal to mx2 minus nx1, or x equal to mx2 minus nx1 upon m minus n. Similarly, y, if we equate y minus y1 upon y minus y2 equal to m upon n, cross multiply and solve, you will get value of y as my2 minus ny1 upon m minus n. Therefore, the coordinates of a point which divides AB in the ratio m is to n externally is given by point Pxy equal to mx2 plus minus nx1 upon m minus n, and y coordinate will be my2 minus ny1 upon m minus n. It is known as external division formula. The point P lies on line AB when produced, means outside of AB. In formula easily you can observe only one change. In case of internal division there was plus sign. In external division minus sign. Now next, centroid of triangle. I hope all of you know the meaning of centroid. Centroid means intersection point of medians of triangle. Just one median I have done here. Median means from vertex A to join midpoint of BC, it is known as median. If coordinates of point A given as x1, y1, point B x2, y2, point C x3, y3, then coordinates of median means coordinates of intersection of medians, means centroid. Then coordinate of centroid is given by sum of x coordinates upon 2, comma sum of y coordinates upon 2. Now for proof, since coordinates we have written ABC, meaning of centroid means point of intersection of its medians. Second property of median, also you know, to centroid, if given G, its centroid divides median in ratio 2:1. If value of AG is 2, then GD 1. Therefore, since AD is median, so median point D is also midpoint of BC. So two information we are getting. First, AD is median, therefore D is the midpoint of BC. And midpoint of BC means easily you can find coordinates of D using midpoint formula, means x2 plus x3 by 2 and y2 plus y3 by 2. Second information, G is the centroid, therefore G divides AD in which ratio? 2 is to 1. Since centroid of triangle ABC divides AD in 2 is to 1, means if AD is 2, then GD 1. Therefore, coordinates of G we can write using section formula. Since AG upon GD 2 is to 1, then apply formula 2 into x coordinate of point D means x2 plus x3 by 2 plus 1x1 upon 2 plus 1, comma 2 into y coordinates of point D means y2 plus y3 upon 2 plus 1 into y1 upon 2 plus 1. 2 into x2 plus x3 by 2 means to cancel out x2 plus x3 plus x1 upon 3. y2 plus y3 plus y1 upon 3, which we can write as rearrange coordinates of point G as x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, and y coordinates will be y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Hence, if coordinates of vertices of triangle ABC given as x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3, then coordinates of centroid of triangle ABC, centroid of triangle means intersection point of medians, we can find using formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, and y coordinate will be y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Now solve question. Find the points of trisection of the line segment joining the points A and B. Means a line segment AB given, coordinates of point A is given as 1, 2, coordinates of point B given 11, 9. We have to find 2 points such that they divide line segment AB in 3 equal parts. So let coordinates of point P as x, y and q, x dash, y dash. Therefore, AP equal to PQ equal to QB. If you assume all 3 equal parts as K, easily you can write point P divides this AB in 1 is to 2. Because AP 1 part, then PB 2 parts are there. For point Q, you can write AQ, there are 2 parts, and QB 1 part. Therefore, first find the coordinates of point P. Since P divides AB in 1 is to 2, therefore apply section formula 1 into x coordinate of point B 11 plus 2 into x coordinate of point A 1 upon 2 plus 1, sum of ratios, and after solving you will get 13 upon 3 comma 13 upon 3. Similarly, point Q divides AB in 2 is to 1. Again apply section formula 2 into x coordinate of point B 2 into 11 plus 1 into 1 upon 2 plus 1, comma 2 into 9 plus 1 into 2 upon 2 plus 1 equal to 22 plus 1 upon 3, 18 plus 2 upon 3 equal to 23 upon 3 comma 20 upon 3. In this pattern, if question is given on section formula, you can solve it. Now, some questions for practice. In first question, you have to find center of a circle if end points of diameter given. Since center of circle is the midpoint of diameter, therefore just apply midpoint formula and easily you can find the center of circle, coordinates of center of circle. In second question, the line joining the points meets x-axis at P. Find the y coordinates of point P. Just it is based on your trick. Just I want to think, are you able to apply your presence of mind or not? It is just one mark question. Just you have to use your presence of mind and to solve question number 2. Question number 2 solve, you can solve in 3 to 4 seconds. Just you to think. And question number 2, after solving, also try to find the ratio in which x-axis divides the line segment joining the points. In question number 3, find the coordinates of point of the trisection of line segment joining the points. Already one example I have covered here, so that you can solve this question number 3. In this process, these 3 questions you have to complete and give your answer. Now one topic remains in this chapter, area of triangle. In next video I will cover a next part, area of triangle.